Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your Creative Outlier Free Pro. And we can use controls what we have near to the right earbud. And now let's check it. So you can press and pause the song by pressing one time at the multifunctional button. So I'm just press one time and I pause the song, I press again and I play song. To increase the volume, you can use volume up button, so just press on it, and as you can see I increase the volume and I again increase the volume. To lower the volume, use volume down button, what look like a minus, so again just press on it, and as you can see I'm just lower this volume. If you wanna play next track, you should press and hold on the volume up button, so press and hold. And as you can see I play next track, and to play previous track press and hold on the volume down button. Here we go. Also what we can have, we can call voice assistant. I have iOS so I will call Siri. If you have Android you will call Google Assistant by pressing 3 times on the multifunctional button. So 1, 2, 3. And as you can see Siri is awake. And also if you press 2 times you will swap between Bluetooth mode and MP3 mode. And if you swap 4 times, you will enable or disable low latency mode. So just press on it and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.